we start off by first using the electro cleaner, which is an acid mostly to remove the crap on the surface, and then that's heated up to 120 degrees and is kept in for 30 seconds, and then we rinse it off and transfer it to the surface activator, which removes oxide and further cleans off the surface. And at that point, you're looking for the metal to become hydrophilic to know that it's done, but it should roughly take about 30 seconds. And then after that, you go over to the gold plating, and the gold plating solution is heated up to between 120 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and the electroplating voltage is applied for about 12 minutes for the 100 microinch gold thickness that we desire. And after that, you just take it out, rinse it off, and it's ready to go.
All right, here's the copper box before we start. It's got a little oxide buildup, so it's not as shiny as last time you saw it, but you can. But this is what we're going to start with. So we'll go through those 3 steps, and we'll have a gold-plated copper box. Now, I want to point out we're doing this in a fume hood with proper personal protective equipment. This is not something you should try at home if you do not have the proper equipment. The last step uses I think it's like potassium orocyanide, a rather unpleasant chemical that you cannot put down the drain and has to be treated properly.
So now we're starting with the electro cleaner.
Yeah, start.
Wait. Liquid level's a little low on this one. Alright, so now we'll do the surface activator. This is an acid that prepares the surface for the gold plating.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, and rinse this off. Alright. Okay, so now we have a nice clean shiny surface, and it's ready to gold plate. So we'll be gold plating at about 2 volts for 12 minutes. Start the timer.
5, 4, 3, 2, done.
And it's done.
There she is, gold plated.
You can see the wires down.